Hi guys, welcome to your 16th tutorial on XHTML. Now, I've taken the liberty to put in a paragraph here. As you can see, we just Lorem Ipsum. It actually explains what Lorem Ipsum is itself, so it's worth to read. So, first thing I want to do is give the body, the whole body of our website, a background color. So, background stroke color, and I'll put in pink because it's not going to be too bright in your eyes. So, it's going to go for yellow instead, but I'll probably blind you, right? Then I decided that with this paragraph I want to indent the text. I wanted to come over a bit. Instead of being here, I wanted it over here. So then I put this in. Now with this H3 header, I want to align this to the center. Okay? I want to align this to the center. So I'm going to save this, right? Now, I've already run this already because my last one made a good mistake. So if we refresh this, there we go. Here's my H3 to the center. You can go left, right, justify. Here's my indent. There's my background color as pink. I can actually change that background color just to show you that it can be anything I want. And I can go for, I don't know, green. So if I save this, if I go back into my Explorer, now green. Do you see how much that is on your eyes? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial guys, and I look forward to seeing you tutorial number 17. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.